a GLP-1 medication and thyroid cancer study I've been waiting for. I want to tell you all about it. It's just been published. I'm Jessica Brown. I'm a nutritionist, author of Beyond the Shot and The Loving Diet. Remember, this is not medical advice and I'm not a doctor. The GLP-1 warning label about medullary thyroid cancer actually was from studies done on rats, not people. Rat thyroids respond differently to these drugs. It's worth noting this. The real question was whether it actually happens in humans, and this study just added to that answer. The study published in June 2026 in the journal Therapeutic Advances in Endocrinology and Metabolism. It was a study based on real-world data. It was not a randomized trial, and it shows pattern, not proof, a strong signal, but not the final word. Researchers built 3 matched groups, people with prediabetes, type 1 diabetes, and type 2 diabetes, and they looked at nearly 400,000 adults, and they followed up for 5 years. What they found is that there was no increased risk of thyroid cancer in any group, none. And it lines up with an even larger study last year that followed over 4 million people. Now, in the type 2 diabetes group, there was a small increase in 2 non-cancer thyroid conditions, autoimmune thyroiditis and goiter. It was about half a percentage point. Is it statistically significant? Actually, it is. But that's partly because the group that they looked at was so large, even tiny differences can count as real. Also, don't forget, this was real world data, not a randomized trial. So what does this actually change? On its own, one study like this doesn't rewrite how doctors prescribe or what the FDA approves, but it adds to a large growing stack of studies pointing to the same thing. And that is how guidelines eventually shift. Link to the study is in the description.